Something massive just hit Washington, and the timing could not be more explosive. In a decision that's already sending shockwaves through both political parties, the Supreme Court may have opened the door to a legal battle that could completely reshape the 2026 election map. Behind closed doors, strategists in both red and blue states are scrambling to understand what this means for congressional districts, voter eligibility rules, and the balance of power heading into one of the most important midterm elections in modern American history. Some legal experts are calling in the most politically significant court action since the 2020 elections fallout. Others warn this could trigger months of courtroom chaos across multiple states. But here is the bigger issue. Millions of Americans may soon find themselves voting under entirely different rules than expected, and that could change not just who wins, but how America governs itself for years to come. At the center of the storm is a growing fight over state authority and election oversight. Several states have been pushing aggressive voting reforms while opponents argue those changes could dramatically alter access to the ballot box. Now, with the Supreme Court signaling it may allow broader state control in key election disputes, political operatives are preparing for a legal arms race unlike anything seen in decades. Republican leaders say states deserve more independence to secure elections and redraw districts fairly. Democrats, meanwhile, are warning that this could create wildly uneven voting systems across the country and politically uh, disfranchises key voting blocks. The concern isn't just about 2026 anymore, it's about whether Americans in different states will effectively be playing by different democratic rules. And that if that happens, trust in the election system itself could become the next major political battlefield. What makes this even more intense is the timing. The economy is under pressure from stubborn inflation, interest rate fear, and rising frustration among middle class voters. President approval numbers have been swinging sharply, and both parties were already preparing for a brutal midterm showdown. But now the Supreme Court development may completely alter campaign strategy nationwide. Political consultants are reportedly re-evaluating which states are truly competitive and which districts could suddenly flip under revised map or voting procedures. Some analysts believe this could strengthen Republican momentum in several battleground regions, while others argue the backlash could energize younger and independent voters on the Democratic side. Either way, the court's influence is now front and center in America's political future. And once the judiciary becomes a direct factor in election strategy, every ruling starts carrying enormous political consequences far beyond the courtroom. At the same time, public reaction is becoming increasingly emotional. Social media exploded within hours of the news with the hashtags about democracy, voting rights, and constitutional power rapidly trending nationwide. Protest groups are already organizing demonstrations in multiple cities, while conservatives activists are celebrating what they see as a long overdue correction to federal overreach. The danger here is not just political division, it's escalation. America is entering a period where legal decisions are no longer viewed as neutral by huge portion of the population. That creates a dangerous environment where every court ruling instantly becomes a cultural war issue. Some constitutional scholars are now warning that if Americans lose confidence in the fairness of the electoral process, the country could face a deeper legitimacy crisis than anything seen in recent years. And with misinformation spreading faster than facts online, tensions may only intensify as the election season heats up. Behind the scenes, both parties are already adapting. Fundraising operations have accelerated dramatically, legal teams are being expanded, and campaign messaging is shifting towards themes of constitutional protection and saving democracy. There is no longer just about policy debates or over taxes or spending. It's becoming a battle over who controls the rules of game itself. Governors, attorneys generals, and state legislatures could suddenly become some of the most powerful political players in America over the next few months. There is also growing speculation that Congress could attempt a new federal legislation in response, though passing everything in today's divided political climate will be incredibly difficult. If you liked the video, please do consider subscribing my channel. Stay with me and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.